Connect any Instagram account to Lynxx. No need to get followers, create posts, or run ads. In minutes, Lynxx will start to send you hundreds of clicks to any link you want like this. Freedom. Once the app is activated, traffic starts to pour in, which you can direct to any offer or link of your choice, giving you complete freedom to live life on your own terms. Once the app is activated, traffic starts to pour in, which you can direct to any offer or link of your choice, giving you complete freedom to live life on your own terms. Maybe. Instagram trademark. It's making people rich. We created something that will forever change the world. It's the only AI app that integrates directly with Instagram. A brand new way. Without resulting in hundreds of dollars every day for you, like it does for us. Give you that dream lifestyle. Powerful AI app ever. The one and only Lynxx. For the first time ever, we created an AI app that uses ChatGPT. It lets you turn Instagram into a pocket money-making machine. Yep, you can even do this from your smartphone, without doing any of the work yourself. Lynxx will do all the research and give you viral traffic getting posts that are guaranteed to go viral. You don't have to spend even a dime on ads. We get hundreds of targeted clicks every day, for free. Manual work is ever needed. Lynxx will do the work for you. Or do anything else manually. AI does everything for you. And this is not random, crappy posts either. Posts that get you more free traffic than you ever imagined. And posts that get you leads and sales just like they do for us. From a life like this, it's easier than you think. No more waking up to an alarm clock, rushing around tired, getting ready to commute to work, skipping breakfast, worried you may be late and get into trouble with your boss. The same again. And if you're a beginner, don't worry, we have you covered with over-the-shoulder video training and a dedicated 24/7 support team waiting to help you should you need it. Activate. Simply click on any of the buttons on this page to purchase, then log in. Connect any Instagram account to Lynxx. No need to get followers, create posts, or run ads. In minutes, Lynxx will start to send you hundreds of clicks to any link you want like this. Freedom. Once the app is activated, traffic starts to pour in, which you can direct to any offer or link of your choice, giving you complete freedom to live life on your own terms. Maybe. And all platforms. Multiple streams of income. Lynxx also lets us drive traffic and make sales from pretty much any type of offer out there in the market. For anyone. Yes, anyone and everyone. You don't have to be experienced to use Lynxx. It will produce results regardless of who you are, including literally anyone and everyone from all walks of lives. Any country. Even if your English is not good, Lynxx is what you've been searching for. Whether you want to. The rat race. Get started now. Instagram is not just a website. It's one of the most visited sites on the internet. They are so big that they can be compared to countries. They're not going anywhere anytime soon. And that's exactly how we know we won't ever need to find a replacement to Lynxx. It works today, will work tomorrow, next month, and the next 10 years. Conquered with AI. We're cashing in. This has never been done before. We finally managed to use the power of AI to conquer the biggest social network in the world, and used it to our advantage, without breaking any rules, to make hundreds of dollars every single day without fail. Lynxx is the only app on the market that does everything for us. With Lynxx you don't need to. Lynxx app work. It's simple. Lynxx uses the AI that was created by Instagram. It takes advantage of their servers, legally, and opens the floodgates of clicks to any link we want, resulting in pure profits for us. That's simply how it works. But don't be fooled. Because on the backend, Lynxx is a robust app that uses sci-fi-like technology to achieve that. But all of that happens in the background and you don't have to worry about any of that. A world first. Everything. Nothing on the market can even come close to Lynxx. It's the only app that leverages that new Instagram AI. While everyone else is still doing things the old way, Lynxx takes advantage of our new way. We are making history here. And with just 2 clicks, you will be able to leverage that power for yourself. For fun, freedom, and profit. Without any tech skills or complicated mumbo-jumbo. Lynxx traffic. We don't do any ads, or traffic generation. Lynxx does all of that for us on autopilot, resulting in hundreds daily. Lynxx training. There is nothing missing in this training. Everything you need to know is explained in immense details. Lynxx support. Have a question? Just reach out to us and our team will do their best to fix your problem in no time. Lynxx case study. You'll also get a 50-minute case study breaking down everything I did to grow a brand new Instagram to 1,200 followers, resulting in 450 leads and $5,500 in sales. Lynxx one-to-one mentoring. You'll also get 7 days of unlimited one-to-one mentoring. Simply let us know and our expert will reach out to you to give one-to-one mentoring or support. But wait, there's more. We take the success of our customers seriously. That's why we developed a custom bonuses package that will accelerate your results. So instead of waiting a couple of days, you can start seeing results within minutes if not hours. Normally, we charge thousands of dollars for the bonuses alone. Get results in the first 10 minutes. We've included exactly what you need to start getting results in the next 10 minutes after you purchase 15 of our previous apps we created. You'll also get 15 of our best-selling app that retail for a combined total of $497, but you get them absolutely free. Customer-only live orientation. On the live call we'll show you how to use the app and how early users are making upwards of $100 plus a day or more. You're also invited to the $100,000 in 30 days live online event, Learn how to bank beyond your wildest dreams. Takes place Wednesday, February 21st at 7 p.m. EST. On Wednesday, February 21st at 7 p.m. Eastern we'll be holding a live customer-only virtual event. On this event we'll be doing an orientation around the Lynxx app, showing you exactly how it works and how to get results using it live. We'll also walk you through how we generated $100,000 in the last 30 days in just one of our accounts. All you need to do to qualify is grab Nebula today and turn up to the call on Wednesday, February 21st at 7 p.m. Eastern. For anyone. Yes, anyone and everyone. You don't have to be experienced to use Lynxx. It will produce results regardless of who you are, including literally anyone and everyone from all walks of lives. Any country. Even if your English is not good. Lynxx is what you've been searching for. Whether you want to. This app cost you? That's the wrong question. The real question is not, what will Lynxx cost you? The question is, what will cost you to not have Lynxx in your life? In our testing, Lynxx has made us anywhere from $541 a day on the low side to multiple thousands a day on the high side. But if we take the low end and times it by 30 for 30 days, 30 days x $541 equals $16,230 a month, $194,760 over a year. $1,947,600 over 10 years is what it would cost you to not have this in your life. So would you rather miss out on $1,947,600, or would you rather invest the teeny tiny one-time investment listed below? Do it now. It's less than a price of a sizzling hot pizza, and it's enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running Lynxx. Super fast. Price is rising. I don't want Lynxx to get saturated. So, sadly I'll have to limit the number of licenses I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $97 a month. And trust me, that day will come very, very soon, so you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Millionaire lifestyle? Of course you do. You've probably seen that dream lifestyle, right? That internet millionaire lifestyle. You know, the one that you see on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, where you can live a 5-star life. That's the power of getting in on this new opportunity early. YouTube trademark can give you that lifestyle. Get in now. Right now, right here. Don't make the same mistake twice. Hit the button for instant access now so you don't miss out.